Around the ear?
Yeah, right here. Nose.
Oh. Yeah. This is Silver. Silver has to go to the dry cleaners today because he got a little damage to one of his legs from that bad dog Moose. Let's see that damage. So we're going to ask the dry cleaners if they will sew up his leg and make him good as new. Silver, are you ready to go? Yes, he did an excited flip. Let's off to the dry cleaner.
Here's Silver. He's going to the dry cleaner. He has to because he has a hole in it. So here we go. It's not going to be a long way. It's kind of a long video. So he's not going to come back for 2 days. And we have to let him go for 2 days.
But it's for his own good.
It's all good. And we'll really miss him. Because I got him before. He's really good. And my dad likes him. Because he got him.
Alright, Silver, so we'll see you at the dry cleaner?
Yes.
Go.
My dad paused a little bit because I was going to.
Yeah, talk louder, boo.
My dad stopped it talking. He put it away, so I told him I was not done, and then we got the camera on again. So bye.
Back up.
Silver's going to be sewed right now. He's going to be sewed right now. So you have to say goodbye to Silver for 2 days.
Well, you might not have to say goodbye, so you might fix him right now.
Well, maybe we won't have to say goodbye. We won't have to say goodbye for 1 day, actually, because
Yeah,
fixing him
that
right
would
now.
be good, wouldn't it?
We're gonna see.
Bye.
Now they're gonna see if Silver can get fixed. Have to find the right needle and thread for him. And they're just trying to match the right color for Silver.
That's right color.
So that the color of the thread matches his fur.
I see the thread. I see the thread.
See the thread?
Yeah, right there. Where the lady did.
Oh yeah, that's great. Right.
They have it.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if there's a stuffed animal that's red or magenta?
Well, look at all these different colors of thread they have.
Yeah.
That could basically match any color.
Yeah, any color in the world.
Okay, here comes Silver's operation.
I lost it. Where is it? Oh, over here. Susurranda.
You want to tell Silver it's going to be okay?
It'll be okay.
Yeah.
Double cheese. So, put it back up, Silver.
Oh.
So right now, it's a little smelly and it's
Wait, they're taking a break.
taking a break. 22.
You had to get that in there, huh?
What?
You had to get that in there. That you have 22.
I love Webkinz.
Back to Silver's operation.
Webkinz room.
Oh, it's going so fast.
Yeah, finish.
Wow, that leg's going to be good as new.
It has to be weight too. Moose. My dog chewed that.
Wow. Thank you so much. How does he feel? He's better.
Silver's all better. He got sewed. No hole anymore.
Wow. And there's the cleaner, there's the dry cleaner there where we took him to get fixed. They did a great job.
She sewed really fast. We were kidding for 2 days. She was going to be ready. 2 days.
So Silver, how do you feel now with your brand new repaired leg? Let's see you do a big flip. Wow, you do feel great. Anything else to say, Emily?
Well, we got fixed really good. And he's a really good Webkinz. I really